Now I have a separate video for Maque Choux where I use green bells and a skillet to make it. In this version I'm using red bells and a saucepan. Now I'm going to add a little water to it. And turn the heat on medium-high. Now once that comes to a boil, I'm going to put a lid on it. I'm going to put these tomatoes in here too. I've removed the seeds and the membrane from them so there won't be too much moisture in them. Now you want to boil it like this to cook these vegetables. And I'm going to add some seasoning to it. I have here a blend of smoky paprika, standard paprika, and garlic. It's the same blend I put on my catfish. I'm going to add a pinch of kosher salt. And I'm going to add just a smidgen of cayenne pepper to bring out the flavor of those other peppers. See, the problem I have when most people use chili peppers is that they don't know when to stop. And somebody like me who has a delicate palate, is more sensitive to chili pepper, they overpower the dish with so much chili that I can't eat it. They really just have no respect for people with a delicate palate. Overpowering a dish with chili pepper isn't traditionally Cajun anyway. It was started by Paul Prudhomme in the 1980s, and people have been doing it ever since. It's not historic and it's not traditional. Now I'm going to put this lid on and vent the lid a little bit and let these vegetables cook till they're soft. Once the water evaporates to where it gets down, it's just barely covering those vegetables. Leave the lid off of it and let it boil down till it's dry. And then cook all the moisture out of those tomatoes. Now when it gets like this is when you're starting to cook the water out of those tomatoes. Just cook it and stir it until it's mostly dry. This is just about done. Okay, now I'm going to turn the fire off and transfer this Maque Choux to a container. This here's what I call a red Maque Choux, and I made it specifically to go with my red catfish.